welcome to Saucy Cat. My name's Zoe and I've made this next recipe probably 3 times this week alone. It is a super easy dish that is perfect for a weeknight dinner when you don't feel like spending an hour on cooking. So without further ado, here is some simple Asian noodles. Let's get into it. What makes this dish super convenient is that you can use just whatever is in your fridge. I had some leftover cabbage and carrots, which I'm going to cut into thin strips, and broccoli, which I'm just going to chop into bite-sized pieces. Set one of your deeper pans onto the stove and heat up a drizzle of sesame oil on medium-high. Add in a little garlic and saute for 1 minute. Sticking with convenience, I'm using some pre-minced stuff from my fridge. Add in the veggies and stir fry for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, get some water boiling for some noodles. This recipe is not picky, so use whatever noodle you want. I'm using these really tasty chow mein noodles. Cook per package instructions. For me, that's 3 minutes. And now for a sauce. Keeping it simple, mix together soy sauce, hoisin sauce, and rice vinegar. I'm also going to spice it up with a little sriracha as well. Drain out the noodles and add them to the stir fry. Pour in the sauce and mix everything on the heat for about 5 more minutes until everything is evenly coated and any extra liquid has evaporated out. With that nice and hot, let's plate this dish. You know what? This only took 15 minutes to do, so that's pretty nice. Honestly, I could live off of noodles for the rest of my life. There's just so many ways you can use them, so many different sauces and vegetables and just all sorts of pairings. And this is such a good example of that. Just whatever you have in your fridge, you just throw it in and voila. It is perfect for any weeknight. Well, that does it for today. I hope this solved any dinner problems you were having. Please let me know down in the comments if there's any recipes you guys want to see us try. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.
Open wide.
Yeah.